wait a minute. There's something in there.
Cut it open.
Not sure that's a good idea, Dad.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, that's nasty.
Jin's disappearances. I think we just found them.
They're harvesting us. If this is what happens to people they capture... Oh, God, Mom.
Kate, hey, come on. We'll get her back, all right?
We need to find that mine. Come on.
Huh. More pods. What the hell's going on here?
Whatever it is, this ain't Locust. Never seen anything like it.
Well, Marcus Phoenix is stumped. That's not a good sign.
Guys, above us!
I told you, stay calm. Stop popping the pods. Get down. That thing's been following us since we got here. I'm gonna flush it out.
What? How? Yeah, that works.
When it bolts, take it out. Got it?
Got it.
That thing, I can't believe it. It just swallowed him.
All right, stop! He's gone. But he's not dead. They're taking people and using them. We know that process takes some time. So right now, we go after my dad. We need him.
And what if we can't get him back?
Then, I guess we're all alone out here.
Okay, so now what?
Now we go to where they're taking him.
Where's that?
The same place he was taking us. That Locust burial site.
All right, let's get out of here and track the one that took Dad. Guys, this way.
Sounds like they're moving deeper into the fort.
Then so are we.
Oh, God. It's another one of those pods.
Keep it back! What the hell are these things anyway?
Fast-ish! Guess what? Left, left, left!
I see him! I see him! They keep dodging! It's dead!
Didn't see that coming, did you?
My advice? Do not touch any more pods.
There! They're all over the place!
I can't believe it. We got monsters snatching people, things jumping out of pods.
Yeah, no idea what the hell's going on.
Glad I'm not the only one. Are you all right?
I think so, but there is a lot of that down here.
Can you get back up?
No, you guys calm down, but just watch it.
Oh man, you weren't kidding. Watch your step.
We need to get out of here.
So these pods, they're incubators. We're put in.
And they come out. We need to find my dad, and soon.
Great. Now there's door snot.
Oh, I think I got some in my mouth.
Oh, how's it taste?
How do you think it tastes?
Bad, probably, right?
Ah! Right, what was that?
Over there! That's the one!
Come on, get after it!
More of those goddamn things.
Is that it? Are we clear?
Think so, yeah.
Stand to me.
All right. Now we're clear. Come on, this way.
Damn it! What's next?
Wow. I think we're gonna have to redefine our definition.